Welcome here on Sandy Bay Media for this episode. I'm here with Belinda, who's a Speedway driver, and we're going to have a chat about how she got into it and what it's like. Nice to have you, Belinda.
Oh, thank you guys for having me along to help promote not just the sport, but the women in the sport as well. Fantastic.
No, it's fantastic. We're looking forward to talking about your story. Oh, no, keep on. How did you get involved and how did you get started?
So around 23 years ago, I used to camp a lot with my young daughter at the time, and I was coming out of the bush and I seen all these Speedway cars on trailers and I went, wow, like what is that? Where are they going? And I followed them and I found myself in Daylesford Speedway.
Yeah, right.
So I fell in love, absolutely fell in love with the place and started volunteering with my daughter. I was doing raffles and the canteen and just anything that I could to get down there and watch the racing, and just never looked back. It just expanded from there. I started stewarding. I started scrutineering to become really heavily involved to try and, just get word out there that I found Daylesford Speedway for starters. And from there, it's just escalated, I guess. Now driving since last season in production sedans. Been lucky enough to drive the V8 trucks a couple of times as well. Unfortunately, it was not right tonight.
Yeah.
So just the production sedan. And also supporting Blue Ribbon Raceway Horsham is amazing. I sort of just, again, stumbled across them when I started racing in production stands, and then from there, just about every race meet I'm here, scrutineering for them, help out where I can, race, promote, being a member of quite a few clubs around Victoria, just because I love supporting the sport. I love promoting the sport. I love seeing women drive whatever class it is. So, and the juniors, the young girls, the up and comings in the juniors as well, just have a ball and just try and, get them excited about being here in really what is such a male dominated sport, and just get the love for Speedway, flowing through, hopefully growing with more women. So any ladies out there, come on, like get a car, steal your partner's car, or get yourself a V8 truck and come and meet me on the track. It's absolutely so fun.
Or just come down and watch?
Just come down and watch. You don't have to have a car, just the environment around here. Everyone is so friendly. It's such a good time. The Horsham Club just put on an amazing event every time anyone is here. It's cold today, but you can't help Mother Nature. Mother Nature does try and steal a few shows and checkered flags from the drivers, but, just come down, support this amazing club and help promote this sport as well. Get involved, just walk through the gate and you will, like me 23 years ago, probably never look back. Who knows?
Amazing story and absolutely. Thank you for jumping on and having a quick chat with us, and all the best for your race tonight. It's exciting and it was fantastic to see you out there.
Thank you.